Hello and welcome back to America Then and Now. Oh gosh, it's so much fun. So much fun trying to get a new channel going and thinking of things to talk about. And we can talk about so many things. You know, past, present, future. Thought Dave hit on just for a few minutes about water. I was thinking about my time in China and how you could not drink the water out of a tap whatsoever. Everything's bottled. Now, the water out of the hydrants, you can shower and shave and cook and all that is okay. But don't be ingesting it. You'll catch stuff that you can't wash off. But in America, we're pretty lucky. I'm 57. I can remember when I was a kid and you could go to grandma's house and go run out to the well. I thought it was so cool. You could go out to where there's a well and pull up that cold, delicious water out of the well. And probably most of it's novelty, but the water was really good. And we can still do that a little bit today. I think the ground is probably getting a little worse for that, but hopefully not too much. And I was always out in the woods as a kid, hunting and fishing and whatnot, and I remember places that had artesian wells, and they had this groundwater would come bubbling up, and sometimes just little pools maybe, or sometimes like a small pond, and that water is so delicious, cold and sweet, and it's great. And I even remember one well like that, even it was on the side of a dirt road, but it was always had the best drinking water in the world. I don't know how safe that stuff is today. I'm sure up in the mountains, water coming out of the ground is probably as good as it ever was. But today we live in a bottled water society. But thank goodness here in America and Canada and places, you can still drink out of the tap and it's safe. So then and now is still really good. In the bottled water, unfortunately, in lots of places, it's a necessity. I think I read there's 187 countries around the world that you cannot drink the tap water. That's a lot. That's pretty much all of them. So we're really lucky here in America, people, that we still can enjoy that ability to drink tap water. If not, we have to carry bottles with us everywhere where we go, like I did in China. Everywhere I went in China, I had like a little pouch, and I always had a bottle of water. Because if you're out walking around, you're thirsty, better drink it. So anyhow, be thankful, people, that we still have good water here in America, and it's protected, and that's America Then and Now for today. Think about that next drink you get out of the tap. Think about all those people around the world that cannot do that. They look in the refrigerator, they look on the counter, and they got to grab a bottle. So anyhow, America Then and Now, people. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll have something juicy to talk about next time, okay? So bye-bye. Have a great day.